taking Stinkbug to a car show. But not in it. We're just going to it. The reason why we're not entering it is because we don't want to take all the trophies from other people.
Of course.
No, it's not for them.
Do you get trophies at a car show?
Yeah, there's categories.
Like best in show?
Well, that's usually one of them. That's like obviously the best, but there's like best truck, best pre-1960, best muscle car.
That is a crazy driver. I know. It's like real tired.
We got wipers, and it's going to be 80 today, so that's good.
Why is this one not all the way down?
Well, don't look too hard at it. The linkage has a bit of slop in it. I pumped all the old like generator gas into this thing, so it's good to burn it up.
Oh, okay.
We're going to go have a look, support some local, small local street fair.
I think we missed my favorite part.
What's your favorite part?
The part where they climb that pole.
I think no, the logging finals are today.
Okay. Oh, I would like to go watch that.
At noon. We'll park at the parts store just in case we need something. I know, buddy, it's loud. It'll be good. We'll drive the truck. We'll have a look at a couple cars that are shinier than this one. Got some traffic headed into town, though.
It's okay. Can the truck handle it, or does it overheat?
I think it'll be okay. It's not that hot yet, and it's just we get hot when we don't.
I feel perfectly fine.
Okay.
In my camouflage overalls. Plus, it's like inching forward.
Oh yeah. This truck with the low first gear. This is perfect because if we ever come to a complete stop, I'll just put it in gear and let the clutch out, and it'll just crawl forward. It's like cruise control.
Oh, I thought that was a real deer.
I think it's a real deer every morning. It has not been since, but no, it has moved. I think he shoots bows at it. Well, he probably shoots arrows at it, not bows. Have a look. Currently doing 8 miles an hour, which is pretty good. Yeah, leave it down. Of course.
This is always dangerous. This is a for sale sign.
Scout. You like the Scout?
I do like the Scout.
Alright, well, we made it back home after a day at the car show. The truck did pretty good, even in the unexpected summer heat traffic jam situation we had on the way in. No overheating, no issues. We were able to support some small local businesses, look at some cool cars, socialize the dog, and just enjoy the sunshine. Sometimes you just got to take them out and drive them instead of working on them day in and day out. I think that's going to do it for this episode of TYGR's Garage. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.